Good day everyone and welcome to Microsoft Excel 2016. Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet software that is part of Microsoft Office suite of productivity tools. It is used for storing, organizing and manipulating data in a structured manner. Excel allows users to create professional-looking spreadsheets that can include a variety of data types such as numbers, text and formulas. The software also offers a range of formatting options and features, such as the ability to create charts and graphs to visualize data. Excel is widely used in a variety of settings, including business, education, and personal finance. It is a powerful tool for analyzing, organizing, and presenting data in a clear and concise manner. Excel is used in a wide range of sectors and industries. Some examples of sectors where Excel is commonly used include business. Excel is commonly used in business settings for tasks such as financial modeling, budgeting, and data analysis. For example, a marketing manager may use Excel to track and analyze sales data, or a financial analyst may use it to create projections for a company's financial performance. In education, Excel is often used in education settings for tasks such as grading and tracking students' progress. For example, a teacher may use Excel to create a gradebook, or a school administrator may use it to track enrollment data. In finance, Excel is frequently used in the finance industry for tasks such as creating financial statements, analyzing investment, and creating budgets. For example, a financial planner may use Excel to create a retirement saving plan for a client, or a stock analyst may use it to track market trend. In healthcare, Excel is commonly used in the healthcare industry for tasks such as tracking patient data, analyzing healthcare trends, and creating reports. For example, a healthcare administrator may use Excel to track patient visits, or a researcher may use it to analyze data on the effectiveness of a new medical treatment. In manufacturing, Excel is commonly used in the manufacturing industry for tasks such as tracking production data, analyzing supply chain efficiency, and creating reports. For example, a manufacturing manager may use Excel to track the performance of different production lines, or a supply chain analyst may use it to analyze the cost and efficiency of different suppliers. In the retail industry, Excel is frequently used in the retail industry for tasks such as sales analysis, inventory management, and creating reports. For example, a retail manager may use Excel to track sales data, or an inventory specialist may use it to manage stock levels. Marketing. In marketing, Excel is often used in marketing for tasks such as analyzing customer data, creating reports, and tracking the performance of marketing campaigns. For example, a marketing analyst may use Excel to track the success of a social media campaign, or a customer relationship manager may use it to analyze customer data to identify trends and patterns. In human resources, Excel is commonly used in human resources for tasks such as tracking employee data, analyzing workforce trends, and creating reports. For example, an HR manager may use Excel to track employee performance, or a benefits specialist may use it to analyze data on employee healthcare costs. In this course, you will learn how to use Excel to create professional-looking spreadsheets, analyze and organize data, and visualize your results using charts and graphs. Whether you are new to Excel or have some experience with the software, you will find valuable tips and techniques to help you get the most out of this powerful tool. We will be covering a wide range of topics, from basic spreadsheet creation and formatting to more advanced features such as pivot tables and macros. So let's get started and learn how to unleash the full potential of Excel. Thank you very much for watching.